Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Tango QR code. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Click on your profile in the top left corner. Now go to account option. Here you can see my Tango code option. Tap on it. And here you can see your Tango QR code. Now your friends can easily scan this QR and start a chat with you. Similarly, you can also share this QR by clicking on the arrow option in the top right corner. Now you can share it to your friends through different social media accounts. So that is how you can check your Tango QR code. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.